Hello everybody, this is Katerina. Welcome to my Katya Beauty Style channel, and today I'm gonna show you new holiday palette from Bobbi Brown. Look at how gorgeous this palette, this amazing design. Yes, let me open and show you. Woohoo! We have here 6 eyeshadow and we have amazing highlighter. I believe it's $49 this palette. I'm looking right now. Yes, it is $49, and of course it's already on my eyes. I create this look using this amazing palette. Okay, made in Italy. This is, it will say, the highest quality of Bobbi Brown eyeshadow. We have here one sparkles eyeshadow, we have shimmer, and we have matte. Let me show you on my hand, and then of course I'm gonna show you how I create this beautiful eye look. And if you like my earrings, I love them. They're only $10, and it's linked below for all products and for my look. Let me first show you these 3 colors. We have here matte, we have sparkles, and we have it's like metallic color. And when I apply on my eyelid, it's not go so shimmer like you think about, but on a swatch it looks like really like metallic, but on my eyelid it's not. Okay, let me show you. We have one color, it's brown one. Then this is Moonstone. It's my favorite. It's really like sparkly sparkle. It's my favorite sparkle eyeshadow. You can always buy this separate. And another, you see when I put like this, but I apply really heavy, it looks like metallic, but on my again eyelid when I use, it's not. Then we have another 3 color I'm gonna show you, and now I'm gonna show you this, like it's brown, and I feel like it have little bit purple tint. Then this is like it's a rosy gold, and this is, it's more like gold color. This is, you can see it's gold. I love this like rosy gold and brown. This is, it's a matte color. And now let me show you this highlighter for the face. I will say it looks pretty, but later on when I try on my face, you will see it. Do I like it or not? Okay, let's put just right here. It is like a gold rosy color, but it's a little bit too much sparkles. And now let's start use this palette. Let's create this look together with me. I do like this. It's a palette I probably gonna wear it for New Year or for Christmas because it is beautiful, and I love this quality. It's just beautiful, and it's a great present. Comment a little bit close to camera because I want you to show you how to use this beautiful eyeshadow palette. Well, let's see. My first step is eyeshadow primer from MAC. It's my favorite. I'm gonna apply an entire my eyelid. Now I have a big blending brush from Chanel, and we're gonna use this beautiful brown color, and it's gonna be our middle color. And you can see I apply here in the corner first, and then I push in this matte color. It's a brown matte color. I push it up. One more time, I'm gonna apply the same eyeshadow, little bit more, and again we're pushing up, and you can see how eyeshadow looks very soft. It's not too much, it's not too heavy, and you can see this colors looks like it's very dark, but on my eye it's not, because I apply very little. second color, which one I'm gonna use, it's this beautiful gold orange, and again I'm gonna use same brush from Chanel. It's a double-ended number 20, and if it's first we use blending brush, we're gonna use like it's more, I will say, layering color brush. And this color I push in like to my suckle area, and I apply a little bit above. Now I have a clean blending brush, and I'm gonna just little bit soft this bright orange color, and I pushing up, and what's gonna happen, it's gonna lift my eye automatically. And now I'm gonna use this darker color in this palette. We're gonna put on a corner of my eyes and a crease, and I'm using small brush from North. It's my favorite brush. And this darker color again, I'm putting on a corner. This same darker eyeshadow I'm gonna apply a little bit on the bottom. Now again have a big clean blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend this eyeshadow all say together and pushing a little bit up. I'm gonna put little bit more this darker brown eyeshadow on my crease. Eyeshadow looks very soft, actually pretty natural. Now I'm gonna use a flat brush, and I'm gonna use this beautiful, like it looks like a rosy gold color. Wow, very pretty. I'm gonna little bit more blend underneath. Now I'm gonna use flat brush, and this is my favorite sparkle eyeshadow from Bobbi Brown, Moonstone. And I'm just gonna little bit put underneath, and also put little bit the sparkles on my corner right here. Oh, it's gorgeous. Time to put liquid eyeliner, mascara and lashes. And now it's time to use my favorite liquid eyeliner from Clinique. Eyeliner, it's done, and now let's put little bit mascara on top and the bottom, and I will put lashes. Because it's a holiday look, I definitely need false lashes here, because they're gonna make a big difference. And you can see one eye where I have lashes, and then others I just have little mascara. It is big difference. I really like this eye makeup. You know, after 40, I do like colors, but I like to look sadder. Like it's pretty, it's sexy, it's very soft. But you know, because it's holiday, I feel we should use a red lipstick, and today we're gonna use lipstick from Bobbi Brown. Look how pretty, and it's number 28 Parisian red. It's a very creamy, rich color. Let me show you on my hand, and I feel like it's like a true red. It's no blue undertone, it's just true red color. And this is color I'm gonna use on my lips, but you know what, I feel a little bit pale. Let's use this highlighter, let's use some blush and bronze. Okay, let's finish this look. And if you like this look, please give me thumbs up. And I think it's so pretty for holiday, for Christmas, for New Year. It is soft beauty, right? For my bronze, I'm gonna use Bobbi Brown bronze, and this is sample. It's good to work for Nordstrom. You can get some samples for free and you can use them, right? Or if you ever buy anything from me, I always send you good stuff, nice, beautiful samples. Remember, I'm Nordstrom Beauty Styles. You can always reach me on Instagram. Okay, you know I like to talk. Love you more than ice cream. This is color medium, and let's use this to little bit pop my face, I will say. And I want you to show you big difference. Look at how this bronze lift my face, like pop my face. I look more slim, I look more sexy, and he's like very still old and pale, right? After 40, use bronze. Or if you are blonde, girls, use bronze because it's always looks sexy who's blonde. Because this highlighter, it is really sparkly. Personally, I wanna use and I do not wanna use because I just not sure if I really like this on my face. But let's try, let's see. It is there. I apply very little. I don't want to apply more because again I like glow, and here I just truly see like sparkles. It's just not me. I will probably will use this on the body, on my décolleté, on my shoulders, will look pretty, but for face, I even probably more prefer to use this highlighter on my eyelids than on my face. It's not my favorite, but eyeshadow I really like, and you can see how they look. It's gorgeous. For my blush, I'm gonna use Chanel blush number 430 Fuchsia Rose. It is beautiful color. Oh, I love this blush. Blush, it's done, and it's nice, beautiful pop. I do like how I look. I think for holidays, for New Year or for Christmas, this is eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use because it's classy and elegant. And red lips, voila. Okay, I'm done my makeup. It is very pretty. Okay, girls, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up or give me an idea of what eyeshadow palette, what product you want me to talk on my next video. Love you more than ice cream. Subscribe, comment below, and I will say Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, Happy Christmas. Okay, bye everybody.